Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a very quick topic. It's just a sit down talk with you guys. I was having a conversation with a friend last week and she asked me, it's good to be yourself. It's good to be yourself. We're talking about something and she said it's good to be yourself. And I actually sat down that day and I was like, but hold up a minute. We always tell ourselves, it's good to be yourself, it's good to be yourself. But have we always found out that ourself is selfish, jealous, lazy, not motivating, unhealthy? Like, ourself is all these bad things we want to do that we feel like this is bad, we can't do it. That's literally ourselves, and most times we struggle to want to change that about us. But one thing I found out is I changed my prayer point and I said, oh God, I do not want to be like myself. I want to be like who you've created me to be. Now, instead of you going to be who you are meant to be, or say, oh no, I'm trying to be myself, it's all about me. It's a, no. It can't be all about you and then say expect God to come and help you in your situation. If you're going to be yourself, you should be able to solve your own problems. But if you want to be the person that you want, anytime you call on God, God is going to answer you. I feel like you have to be who He wants you to be so that it's easier for you to get a response from Him. Now we feel like right now it's as if, oh my God, it's like the more I pray, it's as if God is not answering me. But God really is supposed to answer you. But how would He answer someone He doesn't recognize? Because say now, He created you to be this way. Yourself comes and say, now this is the devil in your head and you don't want to even accept the fact that this is the devil in your head. You now tell yourself, why do I have to do what everybody says I should do? And then why do I have to be what everybody wants me to be? I'm my own person. I'm my own this. I is all about you. If it's all about you, can you solve your problems? Can you give yourself breath in the morning? Can you sleep by yourself and wake up without nothing happening to you? I'm sorry, who protects you? Who encourages you? Who guides you? Who provides for you? You still know yourself, so why do you think you want to be yourself? Like, you have to always, every day, pray to be who God wants you to be. That is why the topic of this video is why being yourself is wrong. I'll tell you why. You cannot be yourself and be in alignment with God. You have to step out of yourself and be in alignment with God. Then you know that you are your true self. Like, this is you. This is nobody telling you who God is to you. This is nobody differentiating who you are from any. It's you being Christ-like. It's you being like, this is me. This is who I'm supposed to be. This is God telling me who I'm supposed to be. This is not who the world wants me to be. Or this is not who I want to be at the end of the day. I want to be who God says I should be. So you cannot do you. You have to do what God wants you to do. Okay? It's just a quick tip I want to drop here and tell you guys why. You can't be yourself if you're a Christian. If you are a Bible-believing Christian, you can't be yourself. I'm sorry, you have to be like your maker, who is God. You have to emulate who God is. God is love, God is life, God is awesome. Okay, God is unique, God is extraordinary, God is not who we expect Him to be. He's not even who we might even believe Him to be. He's far more than it. Okay, so I believe that if you want to be like somebody, if I want to gain favor, say from the president now, I won't go and start going against the president. That's not it. My president say, oh, these are the rules and regulations you have to abide by. Do you think if I don't abide to these rules and regulations, I'll still go and meet him and be like, President, I need from you. Do you want me to lock you up or you want to go home and sleep? Because I'm not answering you. Okay? It's just like a child that wants things from their parents. You don't expect your parents to reward you if you've not been a good child. Okay? So if you have to be who you want your parents to always call, this is my favorite child, this is my favorite child, you have to work in accordance to what they want you to do. Same thing applies. If you want to be yourself, you cannot work in alignment with God. I said what I said. You cannot work in alignment with God. You'd have to step out of yourself and be who God wants you to be. That's the only way you can be contented in this world right now. Because I don't understand what's going on. I don't understand how this generation is going, and I know it's only in God's hands. That's all we can do. So I believe that we are who God wants us to be, and we have to always strive to be who God wants us to be. Okay. So guys, this is my quick word. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like something like this, please tell me in the comment section so that I'll be dropping more quick tips like this, quick motivational speech like this for you guys. These are just things I realize about God each day. I'm not trying to preach to you. I'm just telling you that this is the sacred life of a Christian. You cannot be who everybody expects you to be, and you cannot be who you feel like you want to be, because you don't know the mind of God. You cannot want to be who you don't know. You have to become something. If you want to be different, you have to become something no one expects you to be, and you can only be that if God helps you be it. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and bye.